Useful words, phrases, and sentences. You are my sunshine. Ikaw ang aking liwanag. I long for you. Hinahanap-hanap kita. You're everything to me. Ikaw ang lahat sa akin. You complete me. Binuo mo ako. I cherish you. Pinapahalagahan kita. I want to see you. Gusto kitang makita. You occupy my thoughts. Sinakop mo ang aking isip. I keep on thinking of you. Lagi kitang iniisip. I'm infatuated to you. Nahuhumaling ako sa'yo. She crossed my mind. Sumasagi ka sa isip ko. You're important to me. Mahalaga ka sa akin. I feel sad without you. Malungkot ako kapag wala ka. You make me happy. Pinapasaya mo ako. You are my reason for living. Ikaw ang aking rason kung bakit ako nabubuhay. I hope to see you again. Sana makita kita ulit. I want to be with you. Gusto kitang makasama. I miss your smile. Namimiss ko ang ngiti mo. Can I call you now? Pwede ba kitang tawagan ngayon? I want to visit you. Gusto kitang dalawin. I can't help thinking of you. Hindi ko mapigilang isipin ka. You missed my call. Hindi mo nasagot ang tawag ko. I often look at your picture. Madalas akong nakatingin sa larawan mo. I easily get worried about you. Mabilis akong mag-alala sa'yo. I want to hug you now. Gusto kitang yakapin ngayon. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe.